What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how to highlight the differences between two lists in Excel. So here we have two lists with random numbers that range between 1 and 100, and there are 100 numbers in each list. And to use conditional formatting to highlight the differences between the two lists, first things first, we're going to want to highlight the two lists. Then we're going to go to the Home tab, and in the middle right-ish, there's going to be a option called conditional formatting. You're going to want to click that. Then you're going to highlight the top, highlight cell rules. Then go down to the bottom of that, duplicate values. Then if you click that, it defaults to highlighting the values that are a duplicate. But you can actually make it to where you can highlight the values that are unique instead. And it defaults to formatting it with a light fill with red text, dark red text, so that's just what we're going to keep. And now we have the duplicates between the lists that are now highlighted. So, or the differences between the lists that are now highlighted. Let's just say we wanted to make it to where we could filter these, right? Because, you know, as you can see, yes, they are all highlighted, but they're kind of sparse and far between each other. So to do that, you can actually make a table. So first thing that I would personally do, I would copy and paste the list just so that way you can have the reference. And I would also go to conditional formatting and clear rules just on the selected cells, just so that way you can kind of have them if needed as a reference. So moving to conditional formatting, clear rules from selected sheets. And as you can see, we just kind of have these as a spare in case we need future reference. And so the next thing we're going to do is going to make a table out of each of the original lists. So we're going to shift control down arrow to highlight the first list, then go ahead and go to insert, then table, and it has its own header, so we're just going to click, or either way, it doesn't have its own headers. We're going to click OK, and then you can actually use the keyboard shortcut instead. So instead of insert, you can do shift control down arrow, then control T to make a table, and then enter. And now you can actually use a table to sort by color. So we're going to click this little arrow at the top, and the third from the top value is going to be sort by color, where it allows you to sort by, for example, the pink colors, or by the red font, or by the no fill value. So which they wanted to filter by the pink highlight. This is what you see, and as you can see, the ones that are highlighted at the top. Or you can also sort by having no fill. And as you can see, by doing no fill instead of the pink, the ones that are highlighted pink are at the bottom. But this is great because this allows you to filter values that are the differences between the lists. So going back to the filter by pink, here you can see better, much better, the values that are differences between these two lists. So that being said, I really hope that this was of use. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Any support is extremely helpful, and let me know what you want to see in future videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great day.